Well guys, I fully believe in being a well-rounded human, and that carries over into my resale business as well. So I am trying to learn men's brands so I can expand my business into that market. So what better way to do that than to order some men's clothing boxes from Thredup. So if you're interested in that type of content, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller mostly on eBay and Poshmark. And like I said in the intro, I am trying to learn men's brands. So last week, Thredup actually discounted their men's and women's clothing boxes. So I snagged 2 men's boxes. I got 25 pounds in each box. I'm not gonna do them both in the same video because it would be pretty long. I've never ordered these before. I did peek in this one so I know what's in here, but yeah, let's get started and let's see what's in here. So the men's 25-pound boxes are typically $110, and they were on sale for a few days for $90. In this specific box, I got 23 items. I wrote it on the side of the box. So that works out to roughly $3.91 per item, which is really great. If you're not new here, I love to stay under $5 per item, so that's perfect for me. And let's get started. This is the better one out of the 2 that I got. Both of them came from Phoenix, Arizona. So let's see what's in here. Like I showed in the thumbnail, I did get a pair of shoes. So these are New Balance. These are the 993. It says this on the tongue. New Balance 993. These are a size US 10, Euro 44, so definitely men's. They do need some cleaning on the midsole, but otherwise they're in good shape. And the 993 is one of the sought after styles of New Balance, and pre-owned comps I saw a range from $50 to $80 pre-owned. So I'm really excited to get these listed. These could potentially pay for pretty much the whole box. There are a few things in this box that I'm not going to list. I'm just going to redonate these, but that's fine. That'll just bring up my overall cost of goods per item. I'm fine with that. This is from Grand Siram Custom Clothes. I've never heard of this. I don't see a size, but it has the name of the previous owner in here and a date of 11/26/2004. I'm not sure. So this is a heavy wool like dress coat. It is very long. It definitely took up a lot of weight in this box as well. This one I don't think I'm going to list either. This is Click. Hopefully you guys can see these labels. Size extra large, and this is a full zip jacket. It doesn't feel too nice. Next we have a pair of pants from G.H. Bass & Co. made in Maine, so a New England company. These are a size 32-30. Here is the label. They are a navy blue straight leg pant, but they do have a lot of wear in the crotch area, so I think those will be a donate. This is Alfani, which I've never sold before, size medium. It feels gross. It's polyester and nylon. Alfani. It's just a black button down, but it's not the nice feeling polyester. It almost feels like it's trying to be suede, but it's definitely not. Next we have Arrow. Not quite sure I know where that's sold, but again, I'm trying to learn men's brands. This is a size large. It's like a burnt orange pullover. If you guys have any experience or knowledge about these brands, please let me know in the comments. These are size 33 waist Pronto Uomo Platinum. They're wool dress pants again. These are black. I haven't had much success with that brand, so those will probably be donated. Just a couple more potential donates and then we'll get into the good stuff. These are Haban's Fit Forever. Never heard of this before. Here is the label. These are a size 44 long. I did look them up, and they do have like cargo pockets, but the comps even just listed were under $10, so I'm definitely not gonna list those. And the last item that I don't think I will list is Goodfellow. I don't know if that's Target or Walmart. These are 30-32, but they're like, it's hard to tell, but they're bleach dyed pants. I don't know if that's really a thing for men. I don't know if Goodfellow makes women's. I mean, their name implies that they make men's clothing, but yeah, I don't know about that. This one I do still need to do some research. I'm not too optimistic. This is a size medium, John Bartlett Consensus. And this is just a black pullover. This is a medium, so I think it might have been shrunk or something, because this does not seem like a medium for a man. All right, let's move on to the good side of this box with all the things that I am going to list myself. This first item is a really exciting one for me. This is Outdoor Voices. It's an activewear brand. Newer tags, obviously. This is the Nimbus cotton hoodie, a size large. I did look this up, however, and the comps are okay. They're like 35-40, but I think this is a women's item, so that's fine. Here is the inner tag. And it's a really like nice heavyweight cotton hoodie with the kangaroo pouch, so I'm really excited about that piece. This piece I was also super excited to find in here, and I think it might also be a women's piece, so I'm not sure if someone just didn't really do their research before putting items in this men's box. I've never found this brand before, but I have heard really good things. This is Citron, size medium. This is 100% silk. I'm not a big fan of the color, but I will still try to sell it. It's kind of like a chartreusey color, and it is, like I said, silk button down, so really excited about those two mostly. These don't have the brand label inside, but I looked at the button and they are Wrangler. They're a 32-34, and these are a camo short with the cargo pockets. Definitely will list those. This is a brand I was hoping to find in here. This is Lululemon. I only know because I saw the little logo on the drawstring. I can't find words today. I completely missed the little logo down here when I first saw them. These are a size large, I believe. They are a gray short. They do have some condition issues. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there is like some darkening here. And it's not just pilling, which I could get off. It's like part of the fabric now, so I don't know. I will definitely still try and sell them. I have sold plenty of flawed items before, so I have no problem with that. I just might not be able to get as much as I initially hoped for. Here's some more activewear. This is Under Armour, size extra, extra large. This is a loose fit heat gear. And it's a long sleeve, perfect for the season, little quarter zip pullover. This is Carhartt. I love selling Carhartt. I have a 100% sell-through rate with this brand. This is a size large. And it's like a chambray button down. There are two pairs of these shorts. I believe they're the same size, but honestly, I haven't checked. They're Lands' End, yep, both size 40, traditional fit. And I think they're pretty recent, and they seem to be in really good condition. Just a gray short, and then we have the identical short in a blue color. This brand I don't know anything about. It's kind of like in maybe status right now. This is Wolverine, size large. And this is another pullover with a couple buttons at the neck and a little button pocket. This is Nike. It's NFL, the Nike T size extra large, and it's for the Seattle Seahawks, I believe. I think that's the Seattle Seahawks logo. I do know sports ball a little bit, but not the most. This is more activewear. This is Adidas. This is a really nice jacket, but I don't know what this logo is here. So it's hockey, because he's holding a hockey stick. So if any of you know what this logo is, please let me know. Just 2 more pieces left in this box. This one is Weatherproof Vintage. I've never picked this up before. I've seen it a bunch. So if it's something good that I should be picking up, this is a great way to find out. Size large, I don't know if I said that. And this is just a blue button-down flannel. Love the color. And last but not least, we have another brand I need to do more research on. My initial search tells me that this is potentially a women's brand. It does have a style number on here, but this tag is so faded that I don't quite know what it says. It is linen blend. Looks like 30% linen, maybe 70% cotton, but again, it's hard to read. And the size tag has been cut off, so I don't know what size it is, but the brand is Blue Willies, WILLI''S. So it is a little full zip moment with knit sleeves. It's a like nice thick knit. And then this part is the linen part. It does have pockets, so we'll see. If it's something that's worth listing, I'll just have to do some measurements. I've sold plenty of things without size tags before, so it's not a huge deal for me. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this box for $90. I definitely think I will at least make my money back, especially with the Citron and the new Tag Outdoor Voices. So let me know what you think of this box. If you have any, information for me about these brands and how they do for you, please let me know in the comments down below. You guys are always super helpful, and let me know what your favorite item was from this box. I am excited to show you guys the other one, even though I think this was the better of the two. But yeah, that's all I have to share with you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here and my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.